Welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Today we'll look at the circles in primary school. This is a circle. You can find the area in the circle, which is this whole part here. Okay, so how do we find the area of the circle? Before we find the area of the circle, we need to know what is the radius. So a circle has a center. Sorry, my circle doesn't look so round. A circle has a center. From the center to the circumference, which is the edge of the circle, from the center to the circumference, we call it the radius. From the center to the circumference, we call it the radius of the circle. And 2 times of the radius, this is the radius, and 2 times of the radius is called the diameter. 2 times of the radius is called the diameter. D is 2 times of the radius. The radius is from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle. Okay, knowing the radius and the diameter, we can find the area of a circle. The area of a circle is given by a formula pi r squared. That means it's pi times r and times r again. Pi r squared. You need to remember this formula. And pi is either 22 over 7 or 3.14, depending on the question. It's actually a continuous number. We just stop at 3.14. For example, a circle has a radius of 3 cm. What do you think is the area of the circle? We'll take pi r squared. So pi is 3.14, radius is 3 times 3. So the answer will be 28.26 cm squared. That's the area of the circle. Okay. So for example, if we want to find the circumference of a circle, okay, if you want to find a circumference of a circle, the formula is given by pi d. Okay, it can be pi d. Because d is 2 times of the diameter, it can also be 2 pi r. It's either pi d or 2 pi r. Okay, for example, the radius is also 3 cm. And I want to find the circumference of this circle. So you take 2 pi r, which is 2 times 3.14 times 3. And the answer will be 18.84 cm. Okay? This is cm and this cm squared because of the area. So circumference is just the outside, the perimeter of the circle. That's the circumference. Area is the whole thing. So now you can find the area of the pizza you're going to eat, right? And you can cut it up. And you can also find the circumference of the pizza you're going to eat. Okay, we come to the end of circles. For more videos, go to miraclelearningcenter.com. We are specialists in maths and science. Thank you for watching the video.